Where does Bitcoin stand with MICHAEL SAYLOR stepping down at MicroStrategy? We finally have an update on Cardano's VASIL hard fork, and Aave might be calling it quits with Fantom. Here's your Altcoin Buzz news. Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to Altcoin Buzz, where we bring you the latest crypto updates for your trades and investments. And we keep you in the loop with regular crypto news, deep dives, and technical analysis videos. So make sure you are liked, subscribed, and notified when we drop our latest content. And you can also check out Altcoin Buzz Access for more up-to-date crypto research. You can click the link in the description below. Just keep in mind that this is not financial advice. So let's dive into today's headlines. After 33 years, Bitcoin OG MICHAEL SAYLOR is stepping down as the CEO of MicroStrategy, the business software company with the largest Bitcoin holdings among any public enterprise. MicroStrategy holds nearly 13,000 Bitcoins, amounting to about $3 billion US, give or take, and Saylor is reportedly transitioning to executive chairman of the company to focus on MicroStrategy's Bitcoin acquisition roadmap. Here's the thing, while other companies like Tesla have been selling their Bitcoin stash, MicroStrategy has been holding onto its BTC with diamond hands. And Saylor even re-upped the company's bag with 48 new Bitcoins in June. And despite the company reporting tremendous losses from crypto winter and even being charged over $900 million for a digital asset impairment charge, MicroStrategy's stock and Bitcoin are up 123% and 94% respectively since the company began its Bitcoin purchases in 2020. So what does that mean for Bitcoin? Well, it hasn't lost much steam in the high $23,000 range, but if you've seen our latest Bitcoin video that's on the link on the screen, it's really looking like Bitcoin's bottom is already in. Have a look.
Actually, one of Bitcoin's most reliable indicators is telling us no. No, it wasn't a fake rally. No, it looks like it won't go any lower from here. No, there's no excess supply waiting to be sold. And no, we don't think we're going to see a new bottom if global macroeconomic events and news cooperate. And this indicator is telling us it looks like the bottom is in and we're changing direction.
Cardano's founder has spoken and says the VASIL hard fork is not far away. The mainnet upgrade that was supposed to be rolled out on June 29th was held back because of 3 bugs that were found on testnet launches. In this tweeted video update, Hoskinson says that the project is moving in the right direction, and with the upgrade being so massive to Cardano's performance and scalability, the founder says that the delay was very necessary.
This is the nature of these types of upgrades. They're like rocket launches. You know, you do an enormous amount of effort, and at the end of the day, you're on the pad and you have to make a go or no go decision. And then factors, you know, in the case of rockets, could be as simple as the weather. But, you know, if a sensor fails, you have to pull the mission and take a look. Well, similarly, if you have an issue in certain parts of your system, whether it be a transaction or an issue with consensus or an issue with your programming language, you have to pull it and go back and redo all the tests, because the consequences of a bug, even a minor one, if it's in the right place, could be the production of a fork, soft or hard, and that could cause catastrophic harm to the system. So these are definitely high assurance systems, and they're frustrating at times, and it's hard to delay here or delay there. But the good news is that the set of things that could go wrong have gotten so small, and now we're kind of in the final stages of testing in that respect.
VeChain is teaming up with Amazon Web Services to support the blockchain's vCarbon platform. The supply chain network is one of crypto's leaders in carbon neutrality within the industry, and this new partnership will allow companies to get information on their carbon footprint to stay within emission targets. By using AWS resources to deliver guidance through its cloud service platform, vCarbon will focus on a multi-industry carbon management platform. Even in the middle of a stablecoin conundrum, Aave has a new proposal on the table to freeze its integration with Fantom. The DeFi lending protocol says that in light of exploits on the Harmony and Nomad bridges that lost users hundreds of millions of dollars, Aave should get ahead of any hacks by cutting off its V3 Fantom markets. Another reason to freeze the integration is that it just hasn't been working out, with the Fantom market only making Aave a measly $300 a day for DeFi lending and borrowing. Now, should this proposal pass, users will have to repay their debts and withdraw their funds right away. The newly renamed Hector network has been making full use of this build market. After changing its name from Hector Finance for legal reasons, the Hector network made some major headway throughout July. The network kicked off the month by temporarily lowering its annual percentage yield to 20% until its emission plan begins, where APYs will go back up to 50%. Hector also managed to restructure its Discord server, company roadmap, and garnered new support for its Atlantica NFT marketplace. The build market has reflected well on Hector's socials too, with the network raking in the most followers in the Fantom ecosystem. And the cherry on top being the biggest price recovery throughout Fantom's network. This is just the tip of the iceberg for the platform. And to read more on Hector's solid month, head to the article on the screen and in the description to get the full story. And lastly, Vault Hill is raising the stakes with a bigger and better staking campaign. The campaign is celebrating the successful launch of the Vault Hill City Metaverse, with staking pool rewards of over 1 million VHC tokens and surprise NFTs. This is Vault Hill's 4th staking campaign to date, and to enter, users need to stake their VHC tokens before August 22nd to get an exclusive NFT prize. Happy staking! That's it for your Altcoin Buzz news update. If you enjoyed this video and want more insights for your crypto investing, please smash the like, subscribe, and notification buttons to get all our latest content. And have a look at the other updates and deep dives on our channel. Here's some videos to get started with. As always, this is not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.